Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get 4K without premium on CapCut mobile. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my phone and I'm going to open my project. I'm going to export this project with 4K quality. So we just need to click on this icon, and then we're going to select 4K quality, tap on this quality option and click on the 4K quality. You can drag the circle to the right like this, and after that you can click on done, and you just need to click on save to device to save this video to your device. And I'm just going to click on it. Okay, and now the file or the video is being exported and you have to wait until 100%. Alright guys, and that's how we can get 4K quality without a premium on CapCut mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.